See? Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. Chanel, we lost it. Wait. It is Chanel's birthday today. Chanel has turned 2 and she's very excited for her birthday party today, if you could not tell. We have some fun activities planned today, but before we get started with the birthday festivities, Chanel has to put on her birthday outfit. This is Chanel's birthday crown. Let's see if she puts it on. Live. Oh, you are just the cutest. I think her ears are supposed to go in that slot. We're gonna play a game now. Oh, heckin' hates your birthday hat. That's fine. We will put it on at the end when we get your cake. We are gonna be playing musical seats. This is Chanel's blanket. First person to sit on this wins.
Round 1, fight.
Ready? We're gonna walk your way. Okay, ready? 3, 2, go. Keep going. You're gonna walk fast.
Why would I walk fast?
Go faster, where's the dog?
Chanel!
Chanel, come play your own game. Come on.
I'm giving my dog a third world. Good job, Chanel.
I knew I would win because I'm the best.
Good job, Nene. That's a good girl.
So that was musical seats. I think Chanel really is having fun at her birthday party. So now we're gonna move on to tug of war. Me and Chanel versus Nico.
You're not winning.
You hear what that man just said? He said that you're not gonna win. That's so freaking rude, I know.
Round 2, fight.
Ready? On your mark, get set, and go.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh, let's do it again. My partner wasn't very helpful that time. She was just biting my nails the whole time. 1, 2, 3, go. Pull, Nene. Nene, pull. Chanel, you're not pulling. Chanel. Chanel. Okay. Okay, so that was tug of war. I'm not going again.
Round 3, fight.
Since Chanel likes balloons so much, we're gonna blow up helium balloon for her. Just a small one, just to see how she does with it. All right, now that Chanel has a helium balloon, it should float. Whoa. It's a helium balloon. Oh goodness, Chanel, if you let that get above like 3 inches off the floor, it's going to the ceiling. See? Oh God. Oh no, oh no. Chanel, we lost it. Wait. Don't even worry. I've thought 5 steps ahead and we have a whole plethora of helium balloons. Okay, bleib. It's okay. Okay. It's okay.
I don't think she likes it.
Nene, Island.
Let's get him.
Yeah, good girl.
Like
Island.
this. Look, get him. She's like, why are they following me? Next up, we have a piñata for Nene to Island, and she has snackies at the bottom.
Island. Island.
Good girl.
Attack.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa, Nene.
Good job. Oh my gosh, that's nice.
Good.
Oh, good. I'm gonna give her a little help.
All right, this is the professional piñata versus Ali and Nene.
Oh my goodness, piñata! Yeah! Okay, let her get it, bite it one more time and straight. Oh.
Have some compassion!
Next up, we have birthday gifts for Nene. We're gonna open up presents. Go ahead and open them. She's opening that really well. Show everyone what you got. Let's show everyone what you got first. Chanel got a birthday cake slice for 1. Okay, Nene, open up your other ones. We got her a Texas starter pack. We got steak and corn and beer and watermelon.
Nene, what you getting, dude?
Wow, let's show everyone what you got. Chanel got a cooling dog toy. You fill it with water, put it in your freezer, so that way she can nibble on it while she gets hot in Texas. Now it's time for cake and candles. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. You have to sing. It's your dog.
Happy birthday, Nene. Happy birthday, Nene. Happy birthday, dear Nene. Happy birthday to you. Woo.
Here, come sit here.
My
Come sit here.
Nene, good girl. Okay.
Smile. No, here. Oh,
Good job.
yay.
Eat.
Eat.
Chad. We're getting in here. It's like good apparently. You're gross.
Why is she eating it like that? Say thank you for joining for my birthday and all your support. Good, good. That's all for now. Chanel's now gonna take a nice little nappy for her second birthday. Have a great Saturday. Thanks for watching. And Chanel says goodbye. She's just gonna do that for an hour. Just shoot it. Just shoot it. Oh, good Lord.
What?
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 Oh my good. Oh. All the balloons. Goodness, get it.